Tired of juggling receipts and spreadsheets? Wish there was a simpler way to track your spending? You're not alone. Let's dive into how to access your PocketGuard account and finally take control of your finances. PocketGuard is a fantastic app that helps you understand where your money is going. It automatically categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending, and even provides personalized budgeting advice. But first, you need to get logged in. 1. Open the PocketGuard app. Locate the PocketGuard app on your device, phone, or tablet. Tap the app icon to open it. 2. Login options. You'll typically see 2 login options. Email and password. If you've created an account, enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Continue with Google/Facebook. For a quicker login, you can connect your PocketGuard account to your existing Google or Facebook accounts. 3. Verify your identity. If required, you may need to verify your identity through a verification code sent to your email or phone number. 4. Grant necessary permissions. PocketGuard needs access to your financial data to work effectively. You'll be prompted to grant the app permissions to access your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Review the permissions carefully and grant the necessary access. 5. Complete account setup. Once logged in, you may be guided through a short setup process. This might involve setting your income. Input your monthly income to help PocketGuard create a realistic budget. Linking your accounts. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Setting financial goals. Define your saving goals, whether it's a vacation, a down payment, or an emergency fund. 6. Explore the app. After setup, you're ready to explore the PocketGuard app. Key features include spending insights. Visualize your spending patterns with easy-to-understand charts and graphs. Budgeting tools. Create a personalized budget and track your progress. Savings goals. Set and monitor your savings goals with helpful reminders and visualizations. Bill reminders. Receive timely reminders for upcoming bills to avoid late fees. Tips and troubleshooting. Forgot password? If you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. Login issues? If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your internet connection and ensure you're entering the correct credentials. If the issue persists, contact PocketGuard support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.